So guys, I'm cooking the sweet rice. I had 8 cups in there. See, the fire is still going on. And the sugar is this one. I'm gonna make some sweet rice, okay, called biko. Biko in our own language. And this is the one. It's 5 stick of this sugar cane. 5 stick on that one. And then I had a coconut milk here. So I had 2 different kind of coconut milk because my cousin only bought one of those. And then this is the one that I got yesterday. It's a cream, coconut cream. Masarap po siya sa sa mga ganitong klaseng luto, guys. So ngayon guys, since nakasalang yun, at ito naman ang pagkaramage dito, pag milk mo yung sugar ay matagal. Matagal siyang tapos. So bali 5 stick yan. Masarap siya kasi pure sugar cane. So, ang po niya, brown candy in pieces. Pero kung basahin mo dito ay sugar cane. Yeah. Product of China. So ngayon po ay i-turn on natin tong ating stove, this one. Yan. I-milk natin yan, So, ngayon guys, isasama natin tong coconut milk. Tingnan mo yung coconut milk. That's what I'm talking about. That's the cream, okay? Look at that cream. All the first squeeze in this coconut milk is coconut cream. This one, because I shake this, so it's not really thing because I shake. This one I cannot shake it really good. So, but it's also cream. Yeah, that's a cream also, but I soak with warm water, and that's the reason why it's still also a coconut cream, but different brand. The one that is the yellow one, which is it's this kind of coconut cream. Yeah, the first quality cream, premium. They are all premium, but kind of different, right? So, kasi itatapon natin yun. So, hindi na natin yan anahin. Hindi na natin huhugasan kasi itatapon naman natin yan. Ngayon po, lagyan din natin ito ng